Hello, I'm Ben with Start to Finish TV, and today I want to have a quick conversation with you about artificial intelligence and how I think it might kill off one of my services that I offer in my business. So I have shot numerous headshots for people, like whether that be for myself, for my portfolio, or some who is back for some actors, for their talent agent. Now, I discovered last week that all you have to do is have a picture of yourself and then enter a specific prompt, and it will give you a pretty close, not 100%, but a pretty goddamn close thing. And if you weren't paying attention, you wouldn't realise it's AI. So probably my favourite one is this one. This is the most recent one I did. I'll show you the reference image, which is my profile picture on my main channel, which is a similar thing as to what I'm shooting now. If you didn't know me and you didn't know I was a fat bastard, I could probably pass for using that because, well, it doesn't look fake. Because a lot of AI things, like especially with hands and stuff, it'd like give you weird fingers that were strange looking and like toes and stuff. That could pass for like a LinkedIn profile. That one is probably the worst out of the lot because it's sort of like turned me at the angle that I'm at. Actually, no, this one's the worst one because this one was done with Gemini. It's still pretty convincing. It's just, it doesn't, like, my head's really, I know I have a big forehead, but it's not that big. I don't know, it doesn't look nice, and plus it's watermarked. This one for a less formal type thing. It's made my neck kind of hairy, which is odd. Well, let's compare that to the original. Well, to be fair, my neck in this original picture is kind of hairy, so I don't know, it makes me look older, which is strange. This one, it's even kept the tits. I mean, I'm not as fat as I am in real life, but like this one, you can still see, you can see where my tits are. I find that hilarious, and it's carried that over. Which, to be fair, they're not even in that picture, so I think if you know what you're looking for, you can tell. And I think I can tell more because obviously I know what I look like. But I don't know. It's bizarre to say that all I did was watch a TikTok thing. Actually, no, it was an Instagram thing where it's like, comment a certain thing on this post, and we'll send you prompts for ChatGPT to do it. And then all I had to do was upload a picture of my face. I don't know, I find it kind of scary that you can just do that. Let me know your thoughts. If you're a person who's in the market for some headshots, let me know whether or not that'd be something you would do, or whether you would still go out and pay a photographer to take your professional headshots.